Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. In today's video, I'm coming to show you how you can prepare delicious, yummy, good fish. This is my good mackerel, or you can do for your tilapia red fish. Yeah, you see how yummy it is to look. It's very easy and simple method you can make it. Only thing you need your charcoal and your coal pot, or if you have oven you can make it inside like that. And I'm enjoying with my red pepper, green pepper, ketchup and onions, those things you see it, and bangkun. So the green pepper, the video is coming. Yeah, you will see the video very soon. Tastes very yummy, eh? Wow. Let me show you the things I'm going to use to make this recipe. This is my mackerel. Yeah, we call it Thyme in Ghana. Yeah, we have it. My ginger, my pepper, my thyme, my rosemary, garlic and ginger. Yeah, and this is my spices. All-purpose season, paprika powder, Adobo, vegetable bouillon, shrimp maggi and oil. And you add all this together. You blend until smooth. Don't add water to blend it. The oil you should add it to blend it. And you put it aside. Take kitchen tissue or paper to dry your fish. Yeah, the way I'm making it, you should do the same. Yeah, you dry it. I have already cleaned the fish before I'm doing all those things. So you're supposed to clean your fish. You take the inside, the button inside, you take it out. Yeah. And the spices, if you have curry powder, you can add it. And you mark it both side and side. You mark it. And you put your season on it. Yeah, the one I blend it. I didn't add any water to blend this one, so don't add water, only oil. You put it side and side. The place you mark it, you put some inside. You open the head, you put some there. Yeah, any corner you put some there, and it tastes very nice. You can use the same recipe for chicken. Yeah, if you grill your chicken, you can use the same season recipe. Yeah, it tastes very nice and very easy. But if you have hand gloves, it's better to use hand gloves. I don't have hand gloves, that's why I'm using the spoon. Yeah, because I have 6-month baby in my house. I don't want him to cry. That's why I'm using spoon to do it like this. Yeah, so it's better to find hand gloves. If you don't have hand gloves, you can use the plain rubber. You put it aside and you continue the same process until all finished, and you cover it for 1 to 2 hours or maybe 30 minutes. You're supposed to let it be 30 minutes, then the spices will go any part for you. But I make it for 2 hours. Yeah, and it tastes very nice. You set your fire and you start grilling it. You can use oven to make it. So if you want to grill like this, you're supposed to add oil on the things you are putting your fish before you grill it. Yeah, it's very easy and yummy recipe. You can try it. Enjoy. I think you try this recipe. Please comment on my video. If you like my video, say something. Please say something and share to your friend to watch it. Follow all my social media platforms. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there, the same like Facebook. Like it, comment and share it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.